Things like doctrine of translation, other worlds, and other lives. I'm senior reporter Don Nelson outside the Ada County Courthouse in downtown Boise. Here's what happened today. Zulema Pastenas was a very close associate of Lori Vallow and married to her brother Alex Cox. Pastenas testified about Chad Daybell and Lori Vallow's religious beliefs, things like the doctrine of translation, other worlds, and other lives. Pastenas testified when Chad and Lori became romantically involved after Charles Vallow's death. She asked Chad about his wife, Tammy.
I asked because he was still married, and I asked why they were together like that when he was still married, and he said that they had been married to each other 7 times before in other lives, and they had been exalted before together in other creation, in other worlds, and that they were to be together in this life because they had a mission together, and that their spouses would understand.
Lori's husband, Charles, died from a gunshot wound from Alex Cox. Pastenas was also asked by the prosecution about Chad's visions concerning life and death.
Do you recall anyone talking about JJ dying young or dying soon?
Yeah, during this meeting, Chad said that JJ was going to die young, that he was probably going to die soon, and that he was going to come right back to Earth as Colby's son.
Colby is Lori Vallow's son from another marriage. Defense attorney John Pryor then asked Pastenas about the term casting, a process used to expel demons from possessed people.
And if the casting was successful and you were able to extract the demon from the body, what would happen to the body?
The body would die.
Okay. And is that something that Chad and Lori taught you?
Yes.
Okay.
Pryor then asked Pastenas, where was all this knowledge of casting coming from, Chad or Lori?
Isn't it true, ma'am, that almost all of the information you got was from Lori Vallow claiming Chad made a comment about a certain topic?
Correct.
And it wasn't really Chad who spoke to you about any of these things. It was Lori Vallow who was telling you about all of this casting and energy work, correct?
Not all of it, what came through her. Some stuff came through Chad as well.
Okay, well, let me rephrase that then. The vast majority of the information you received was from Lori Vallow claiming to say what Chad Daybell told her. Is that fair?
Yes.
Reporting outside the Ada County Courthouse in downtown Boise, I'm senior reporter Don Nelson, Idaho News 6.